Right, good morning Skylarks. I'm just doing a really quick tutorial on subtracting mixed numbers because it's something that Lila has asked me for this morning. So the important thing to remember is that when we're subtracting mixed numbers, we have to convert them to improper fractions because sometimes we have to go into the next whole. So the first thing I'm going to do with this calculation is I'm going to convert them to improper fractions. So 9 times 2 is 18 plus the 1 is 19, 19 over 2. I'm going to do the same for the second one. 1 times 10 is 10, plus the 2 is 12, 12 tenths. But now you can see there I've got a problem, haven't I? I cannot subtract fractions that have a different denominator because they're made up of different equal parts. So I have to change one of them, or I have to change both of them in order to find a common denominator. Now me looking at that, I can already see that if I multiply 2 by 5, then I can get 10 and then I can have the same common denominator. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply the bottom by 5, and whatever I do to the bottom I have to do to the top. So I multiply my numerator by 5. So 5 times 19 is 95, and 5 times 2 is 10, and then this fraction here remains the same. So now I can do 95 subtract 12, which is 83. And my tenths remain the same because remember my denominator is showing how many equal parts make up the whole. So I've got my answer, but my answer is now as an improper fraction. So I'm going to now convert that back into a mixed number. So first of all I have to see how many wholes go into 83. So how many lots of 10 go into 83? Well, the answer is 8. 8 times 10 is 80. And then how much do I have left over of that 83? So I have 3 tenths left over.